Do you know how to tell a story with your piano? Today we will explore how to tell a story through emotion, not theory. Our story follows Jonas, a man in his middle years who can't forget Clara, his first love. For the piano, we will travel with him on his search for her. So, of course, first we need some ideas which chords we want to use, and we need a melody. Let's try this. Sounds nice. So, let's use it. Let's start with our first chapter, Longing. Jonas sits by the window, remembering Clara. Her laughter, the way sunlight danced in her hair. Decades have passed. But the memory never faded. His longing is quiet but deep. So, let's apply our ideas to chapter 1, Longing. Okay, our left hand, we use G minor, B flat major, F major and C major. In our right hand we play this melody. Maybe we want to use some inversions. Very important, use rubato and subtle dynamics. And slow down. Once again, faster and slow down. Very important to express feelings going on in a story. By the way, if you would like a clear overview of the main aspects of piano improvisation, download the free guide linked in the description. It's a perfect companion to this tutorial. Okay, let's go to chapter 2, Anticipation. A letter arrives. An old friend mentions Clara still lives near the town where they grew up. Jonas feels a spark of hope. His heart beats faster. Could it be true? So, let's try to express this kind of hope. Let's use some major chords in our left hand. E flat major and B flat major and A flat major with the 11. And add an hopeful melody, maybe in the upper register, with some dancing elements, like this. Once again. Okay, sounds nice. There's a lot of hope in this kind of music. Let's go to chapter 3. There's some sadness. Jonas travels, but finds only silence. Old streets, faded houses, and no trace of Clara. The town feels like a ghost of his youth. The ache of time presses heavy on his chest. So, let's use minor chords but with a variation. G minor and C minor and maybe D minor. In our right hand we try descending melodies and some dissonant intervals. Let's put the left hand and the right hand together. motif but with variations. Have a listen. D minor, G minor, C minor, D minor. Let's play around with it. Once again. Okay, let's go to chapter 4, determination. So, still Jonas doesn't give up. He follows every clue. Hope turned into determination. He will find her. The road becomes his rhythm, his heart, his compass. So let's use a combination of this major chord and this and A flat with the 11. And in the right hand we go to the upper register. Once again. So combine ascending and descending inversion of the melody. Let's go to part 5, reunion. And then he sees her. Clara, older, graceful, her eyes the same as before. Time melts away. In that moment, every note, every journey finds its resolution. So, let's combine our left hand minor and major chords and use this kind of A flat with the 11 to express fullness and fulfillment. Okay, this was the story of Jonas and Clara. Let's recap the tools we have used. Our chord progression, G major and G minor, B flat major, F major and C major, and then in the part with the hope we have used E flat major and B flat major and A flat major with the 11. A right hand, we have used different variations of the melody, going up, going down. We have used the low register and the high register. And we have used rubato, very important to express dynamics in your story. And then slow down. And always let the narrative guide your choices. Your melody should feel before it thinks. If you felt something through the music, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more piano storytelling improvisation tutorials. And don't forget to grab your free guide. The link is in the description below. I will talk to you soon.